This is what a reset and update meter code SMS from KPLC looks like. The latest information we have been getting is that the codes arrive together with the token SMS after buying the tokens. From the last tutorial, we talked about the automatic method to get the reset codes. To check for your reset codes manually, consider checking our previous tutorial. If this information we are providing is helpful, subscribe to get more helpful productivity tips. Now, remember this process is being conducted in phases by KPLC, and before August, everyone's meter will need to be updated. If you receive your codes, input the first code with the 20 digits, followed by the second one with the 20 digits again in your meter, just as you would when you input your meter tokens. And then you might be asking, how can I confirm that the meter has been reset? There is no direct way of checking if the meter has been updated using the meter itself, but you can use this method. You simply need to input the token code after resetting and updating your meter. If it accepts the token, then you are good to go. If it brings an error, even after making several attempts, consider contacting KPLC customer care through their phone numbers, or reach out to them in their social media handles. You can send a direct message to them. Follow us for more productivity tips.